Okay, bro.
This is Sandeep, 19BCT 0091.
This is BVS Rohit, 19 BCT 0236.
This is lab assessment 3. The question is find the maximum and minimum of a number in a array. First, by feeding a set of integers to data segment, we wish to find the maximum and minimum of a numbers. We begin by using 3 instructions for file creation. In file creation, first we mount the C drive which contains program to local directory. Then shift control to C drive. By using edit maximum.asm, the file contains the assembly code for maximum and minimum of a number. The algorithm for the program is first we initialize data segment with following array 53791. Consecutive memory locations are used to store minimum maximum elements after execution of program. And BX register is used to index the elements during loop, incremented after each iteration. After that, CX is used as the count register, decremented after every iteration. Loop executes until it continues non-zero value. After during every iteration, minimum is assigned the value of element which element is less than minimum. Else, if element is greater than max, the maximum is assigned the value of the element. And final data segment consists of minimum max values. And Rohit will continue the code and program.
Now for entering the code for the program, we type the command edit maxmin.asm for creation of the file and we hit enter. Here we can see we have initialized a data segment. We have created an array with the name A, which is the of data type data byte, and it has the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has the now there is another variable we declare which is also data byte, and its value is not yet in input. Now we entered the data segment. Now for coming for the code segment, we first get the initial address of the data segment by into the AX register by typing move AX comma data, and then we move that content to the all the that address to the data segment register. Now data segment register consists of the data address. Now we move the value 0 into CX register, and into the CL part we load this 06 byte, and then we type the load the effective address of array A, which we declared in data segment, into BX register. Now we load the value 0 into the A low register, and we move the first element in the array into first element of the array into the A high register, A high. And after that we compare AL and we compare AL and the first element of the array for AL and the element in the array if they are if AL is if AL is less than if AL is less than if AL is less than the element in the array, it will not execute the jump statement because it is jump not carry, and it will execute this. It will move the it will move the element into the AL register. If AL is if AL is greater than the element in the array, it will the jump not carry will be activated and it will jump to L2. In L2 we loop 2. Now here we compare A high with the element in the array. If A high if A high is if A high is less than if A high is less than the element in the array, it will skip the jump statement because it is jump carry, and it will it will execute the jump statement because it is jump carry, and it will it will come to L3. If L3 if it is not if AH is actually if AH is greater than the element in the array, it will not execute jump carry and it will move the element of the array into the A high. By this we can see that ALO will consist of the greatest element in the array, and A high will consist of the least element in the array. After this we type increment bx in now we increment the bx register to go to the next byte in the array, and then we decrement cl to reduce our count, to reduce our count. After that we compare the cl and 0 0. Compare cl and 0 0. If it is coming 0, it will not jump to the L1. If it is coming 0, it will not jump to L1, and it will continue the other statement. If it is not 0, until it is not 0, it will keep going to the L1, and the process will be repeated until ALO consists of the highest element in the array, and A high consists of the lowest element in the array. Now we move after execution of the code. After CL becomes 0, we load 4C into the A high register, and we type int 21 for the ending of the code. Now this is the code for code. Now we will execute the code. We exit, and then we type maxmin.asm. We enter 3 times. 0 warnings and 0 errors. So now we link the maxmin.object file. Hit enter 3 times. After this we debug maxmin.ex executable file, and then we hit trace. We use the trace command for executing the code, and we hit T5 for executing 5 instructions at once. And here we can see we have loaded the data segment. We have loaded the starting of the data address into the data segment, and now we have put 6, which is the size of the array, into CL register. And after this we have loaded 0 into the now we have taken the first element and loaded into the BX register. And now we execute more commands. And as we can see here, now that we are comparing A high, and we have loaded into A high the first element, and A low we have loaded into A low, we have loaded the first element also. And now we keep executing, and we can notice here that in the AX register the values are changing. The highs and the low bits are changed to 1 and 1 now, because the first element of the array is loaded into both the high and the low of the AX register. Now as we keep doing, 1 is the least element. That is why in A high it is unchanging, 1 is the least element. But for the A low, which should be the greatest element, there is changing. The 0 2 it has changed to. And we execute more instructions, and this program will keep on going until the CL, which is the lower part of CX register, becomes 0. So we keep going through the code, and here we can see that now we can see that CX is 1 here, and CX has become 0. So now we can see that the code will not execute the jump statement anymore, and now we are loading in into AH4C. But if we notice here, we can see that AX A high part contains the least element in the array, which is 1, which we have taken in the as our example, and A low part A low part contains the highest element in the array, which we have taken, which is 6, we have taken in the example. Our example is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we can see that our result is we are storing our result directly in the AX register. Now if we type T again, if we have loaded 4C into the A high, and we are typing int 21, so the code will be exited. So this is the program for executing the this is a program for finding the largest and smallest elements in the array using assembly language, where we have stored our result in the EAX register. Thank you.